Wabona mabati, love is blind. When they say love is blind, they are talking about Tirelo. Tirelo, it's supposed to be a face of love is blind. Tirelo is still very young. Tirelo is still very young, very very young, early 20s. It's not long that she comes out of being a teenager. Now she is just ending her life just like that. Just like that. You see, you're the man that you are going with, treating another woman as nothing, treating another woman as like, but you are putting yourself inside the situation. You are putting yourself inside the situation and you are prepared to fight. You are prepared to fight for the same person that is treating another woman in a way that is not nice. Thinking that way now you are better. Thinking that way now you're gonna be a better girlfriend. Thinking that way now you're gonna be loved more than others. Fighting, insulting, telling Vuyokasi that Vuyokasi it's a witch. We are tagata, all those things, just because you want to get rid of her so that you can come and take her place. That is the life that you want to live at that tender age of yours. And on top of that, you are not happy with that relationship that you fought for, that you thought you're going to be alone. You are not happy. And at your tender age, I'm still going to repeat, at your tender age, you open your mouth and say, wena you are living on prep. Wena the way umuntu wakho asing faithful gakhona, wena you are on prep. What kind of a relationship whereby you'll say, Yazi, it's better for me to be taking prep all the time because my man is not faithful. You just put yourself in that situation and you want to tell people that you won this man. Hi guys, I don't understand really. That is why I say when they say love is blind, they are talking about this one. And life is so short. Life is so short in a way that as a woman or as a human being, you must learn from other people's mistakes. You must learn. You must look at other people's life. You must observe. The very same way that Mpumelelo was treating Vuyokasi. No? Not long. This man will be treating you like that because of another woman who's going to be coming into the picture. And you are giving us a picture that we're now happy and everything. And Manga, you are not happy. You are not even happy that the new person is in, like that girl. I've even forgot her name. Mpumenelo's wife, the other wife, the one that he paid Lobola for after this one. You are pretending that you are happy and you are lying, you are not happy. I think your modus operandi is to always kick these people out. You just want to be alone. You just want to be alone and you are pretending that when you are a carefree person, you don't even, put those things in your head. Only to find that it's a lie. Lie. You are lying. At this age is the age that you are supposed to be finishing your school, traveling the world, having your own. I know you've got endorsements. I know your life is some things are going on in your life, but when coming to the relationship, you're lying, my dear. A small child like you who is prepared to drink prep every day, knowing when my man goes out of this house, is going to sleep with the other woman, is going to sleep with the other woman, is going to sleep with the other woman without protection. That one we call lack of love. You don't love yourself. You don't value yourself. That you putting Umpumelelo in front, like when you don't exist. It's only about umpumelelo. As long as you've got umpumelelo in your life, you can even risk your life, risk your health. You understand? So this one is not make sure. This one is not make sure. And yeah, time will tell. Time will tell. People want to be the ones saying, let me testify about my life. Let me testify about my life. You know, mina intoda yang gila. You know, mina, hey, you know. But there was still time to get out of it. There was still time to get out of it, and then you were in love. Hey guys, this thing of love, it wasted people's times. But anyways, it's her life, let her live it. And yeah, bye guys.